Identify the crossroad sign. Well done. A is the crossroad sign. Identify the Y intersection sign. Correct. A is the Y intersection sign. Identify the steep grade, ascent, sign. Excellent. B is the steep grade, ascent, sign. Identify the road narrows sign. Right. B is the road narrows sign. Identify the divided highway begins sign. Spot on. B is the divided highway begins sign. Identify the do not enter sign. Perfect. A is the do not enter sign. Identify the US route marker sign. Nailed it. B is the US route marker sign. Identify the road work sign. Exactly. B is the flagger ahead sign. Identify the turn right sign. Solid. A is the turn right sign. Identify the roundabout sign. Brilliant. B is the roundabout sign. Identify the no parking sign. Precise. B is the no parking sign. Identify the truck route sign. Sharp. A is the truck route sign. Identify the bicycle route sign. Outstanding. B is the bicycle route sign. Identify the divided highway end sign. Impressive. A is the divided highway end sign. Identify the slippery when wet sign. Absolutely. B is the slippery when wet ahead sign. Identify the steep grade, descent, sign. On point. A is the steep grade, descent, sign. Identify the keep left sign. Terrific. A is the keep left sign. Identify the two-way traffic sign. Wonderful. B is the two-way traffic sign. Identify the added right lane, entering roadway, sign. Superb. A is the added right lane, entering roadway, sign. Identify the keep left sign. Flawless. B is the keep left sign.
20 down, 20 to go. Comment your score, no cheating. And if this is helping you, smash that like button and subscribe. More videos like this dropping every week.
Identify the hospital sign. Great. B is the hospital sign. Identify the railroad crossing ahead sign. Magnificent. A is the railroad crossing ahead sign. Identify the side road, left, sign. Exceptional. A is the side road, left, sign. Identify the turn, left, sign. Remarkable. A is the turn, left, sign. Identify the narrow bridge sign. Accurate. A is the narrow bridge sign. Identify the deer crossing sign. Confirmed. B is the deer crossing sign. Identify the stop ahead sign. Verified. A is the stop ahead sign. Identify the divided highway end sign. Textbook. A is the divided highway end sign. Identify the parking area sign. Splendid. B is the parking area sign. Identify the curve with side road sign. Tremendous. A is the curve with side road sign. Identify the U-turn sign. Classic. B is the U-turn sign. Identify the no stopping sign. Nice work. B is the no stopping sign. Identify the pedestrians crossing sign. Well played. B is the pedestrians crossing sign. Identify the T intersection sign. Commendable. B is the T intersection sign. Identify the one-way sign. Distinguished. B is the one-way sign. Identify the falling rock sign. Admirable. A is the falling rock sign. Identify the no U-turn sign. Noted. B is the no U-turn sign. Identify the no motor vehicles sign. Certified. A is the no motor vehicles sign. Identify the merge left sign. Thorough. A is the merge, left, sign. The railroad crossing with gate sign. Accomplished. A is the railroad crossing with gate sign.
And that's all 40. Drop your final score in the comments. I want to see how you did. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe, because I post road sign videos every week to help you pass your DMV test first try. See you in the next one.